In IBS, we are using international standards. We have risk management, we have compliance, we have anti-money laundering system, we have name screening, we have internal audit, we have external audit. We have all sorts of safeguards that makes us to connect to the world. That's the reason IBS have connections, correspondence around the world, which makes the money transfer through banking system easier, something which was not available in the country.
ummadda Soomaaliyeed inta badan waxay isticmaali jireen xawaalado bank system ma aysan arag oo qaab bangi ama aysan oo muctaraf oo la ictiraafsanay waxaan jeclahay haddii aan qaldan bangigan inuu yahay the first bank IBS oo bangi caadi ah oo xawaalad kaliya ahayn bangi caadi ah qaab xawaalad lacag waa ku dhigaya waa ka qaadanaysa gobolada iyo degmooyinka magaalada laakiin as a bank the first bank aan arag
Somali banking sector is going or set to grow. More banks are coming, more regulations or regulation actors will be coming into scene, and there will be good news coming. For example, stock market, the cook market, association of banks, all of them will be in play.